Hey everyone, this is Tammy from Tammy Colors 2, and I have a flip of Nature Odyssey, A Wild Coloring Journey by Garver. Now, this is not a new book. This came out in 2020, but it's a new to me book because I really like his work, and I have been wanting some of his books. I believe I just picked one up last month also. So, I've seen these on Book Outlet. This particular one I got at Joann Fabrics. You can get them at just about any bookstore that sells them if they're carrying it at the time. It is still on Amazon, so there's a lot of places you can pick it up if you can find a copy, you know, sitting on the shelf. But I know it's on Amazon also, so lots of places. That's the first place I saw this was on Book Outlet. So it is printed by a printing company called Get Creative 6. The paper is thick and smooth. Very smooth. It's very nice paper. So it is a double-sided book. Oh, his images are gorgeous. Oh, look at those insects. Cranes. Double page whale. I'll have to try some different media. I don't know. I haven't played. I just got, you know, the other one like last month, and I've been busy with some other challenges and things, so I haven't had a chance to see what works well on this paper, but I'm sure Prismacolors do. And I would be surprised if it couldn't take ink tints or Tombow water-based markers or something like that. I said it's really nice paper. Oh, how cool. Look at that. I think, if I remember right, I think he's a tattoo artist. Ooh, look how pretty. That could be fun with some ink tints, couldn't it? Oh, neat. Oh. Yep, I gotta get me some coloring done. One of these books. There's a lot of pages in this book. Oh, neat. That tiger is beautiful. Nice exotic animals. It kind of goes back and forth from jungle animals to birds to fish to insects. There's a really good array of things in here. Oh, maybe by the time I get here, I'll know how to make underwater look really good. Nice. And that is the end about the author. Well, I'm respected throughout the tattoo community. Yeah, he's a tattoo artist. Garver. And his art is gorgeous. He does have a book of tattoos. I don't remember what it's called. I think it might be one of his first ones. Yeah, I can't remember. But anyway, thank you for watching. this flip through of Nature Odyssey, A Wild Coloring Journey by Chris Garver. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.